How to create a Steam account for free. Want to start using Steam to game online, but not sure how? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Steam account. Now let's get started. To sign up for a Steam account, open your preferred web browser and go to store.steampowered.com. In the top right corner, click Login. Scroll down and click Create an Account. Type in your email address. Then re-enter your email in the text box below. Use the drop-down menu to select the country you live in. Complete the CAPTCHA by clicking the I'm not a robot checkbox. Click the checkbox below to confirm that you agree to the Steam subscriber agreement and are above 13 years old. Then click Continue. You'll be sent an email with a link to verify your account. Open the email from Steam and click Verify my email address. Then go back to your original tab to finish creating your account. Enter your desired username. Steam will let you know if your desired account name is available. Then enter a password for your account. Enter the same password in the Confirm Password text box. Then click Done. Your Steam account will then be created, and you're all set to start gaming with Steam. That's all it takes to create a Steam account. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't as yet, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified as we put out great new tech tutorials like this on a regular basis.